and I just thought I'd show. It's the Fleischmann 6515 profi coupler, which looks like, I'll just try to find it in the catalogue, it just looks like that. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, Fleischmann do many different types of couplings to convert their stock going back decades, but that's a standard coupling, 6515, and you can use one of these to uncouple it. I use this electric uncoupling systems from Fleischmann, which you won't be able to use, I don't think, on the Batman HORNBY track, but you can use one of these. And there's two little bars underneath, little pins, you just put them under, disconnect, dead easy, no problem. But what I love about the system is they're easy to connect, and if you want to take that wagon out, say, you just lift it out. There's no messing around with fiddly coupling hooks and stuff like that. So yeah, just like that, lift them out. And another advantage, you can bring the shunter in, which I'm going to do now. You can shunt those wagons into a siding or whatever. Stop, they're not connected, and you just pull off. Because for light shunting manoeuvres, they don't engage. And if you want to connect up, again, you just push them up against the buffer stop, or put a bit more throttle on, and it will connect. I'll just pull away. Very good system, and that's what I love about it. Yeah, and you get your close connectors between the wagons, which is another great idea, which you'll get with the other systems as well, but that's just great, just being able to lift that out without any problems. Just thought I'd show that, and I'll show a few pictures